letter E.
Today is the letter F.
E is for energy efficiency. Our metal roofs reflect the sun's rays, helping to reduce cooling costs and making homes more comfortable. Energy efficient roofing is not only good for your wallet, but also good for the environment. Plus, with our wide range of finishes, you don't have to sacrifice style for savings.
And E is for everyone, because everyone wants savings right now.
Mike, we have a few great topics for our next letter.
Yes, we do, Savanna. Let's start with factory training. For our contractor customers, we offer expert training on both the installation and sales of metal roofing materials.
That sounds fantastic, Mike. Training and increased sales? That's a win for everyone. How about discussing Florida product approvals next?
That's a great topic.
Every panel we manufacture is tested and approved to meet the strictest codes in the state. In fact, we not only meet state requirements, but in some cases, we even exceed them.
That's right. And don't forget, we have Florida product approvals for all HVAC regions and even NOAs for Miami-Dade.
For me, Mike, knowing our roofs are engineered to perform in Florida's toughest conditions gives me great peace of mind.
Exactly. And to finish up this section of topics,
family! With so many companies being bought or having shared investors, it's nice to know that Tri-County Metals is still family owned and family operated. Like and subscribe. If you have a recommendation for a topic you'd like us to cover, leave it in the comments.
make your next roof your last.